WhatsApp's Meta AI revolution, a new era of communication. Remember when texting was revolutionary? We could reach each other instantly. We could share our thoughts and feelings. It felt like magic. Today, WhatsApp takes another leap forward. It's integrating Meta's powerful AI into its platform. This changes everything. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution in how we communicate. Imagine a world where your messaging app anticipates your needs, it understands your conversations, it even helps you express yourself better. This is the promise of WhatsApp's Meta AI integration. This isn't science fiction, this is happening now. With its 2024 update, WhatsApp is poised to redefine communication. It's making our digital interactions smarter, smoother, and more meaningful. Buckle up because the future of messaging is here.
Time is precious. We don't always have the luxury to craft lengthy replies. WhatsApp understands this. Their new Smart Replies feature is a game changer. The AI analyzes incoming messages. It then suggests contextually relevant replies. Think of it as having a digital assistant looking over your shoulder, except this assistant is lightning fast and always available. Need to reschedule a meeting? Accept an invitation? Smart Replies has got you covered. These aren't generic responses either. The AI learns your style over time. It adapts to your unique way of communicating. This makes your replies feel personal and authentic. With Smart Replies, you can communicate effectively without breaking a sweat.
Remember the days of scrolling endlessly through menus or struggling to find the right setting? WhatsApp's AI assistant is here to change that. Need to book a flight while chatting with a friend? No problem. Just ask the assistant. This isn't just a voice assistant. It's a fully integrated part of the WhatsApp experience. It understands the context of your conversations. It can even access information from other apps with your permission. Want to set a reminder while discussing plans? Need to quickly check the weather for a weekend trip? The AI assistant is there to help. It streamlines your tasks. It empowers you to do more within the app. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips.
Ever felt stuck in a conversation, unsure of what to say next? WhatsApp's Content Suggestions is here to the rescue. Based on your chat history, the AI suggests relevant topics, links, or even GIFs. Let's say you're discussing a new movie with a friend. The AI might suggest a link to the trailer, or it could recommend similar films you might enjoy. This keeps the conversation flowing. It opens up new avenues for exploration. These suggestions aren't random, they're tailored to your interests. The AI analyzes your past conversations. It identifies patterns and preferences. This ensures that the suggestions are relevant and engaging. With Content Suggestions, saying goodbye to awkward silences.
Imagine this. You're running late for a dinner with friends. You quickly type, "running late, be there soon," into WhatsApp. The AI, understanding the context, suggests sending your live location. Problem solved. This is just one example of how WhatsApp's Meta AI can enhance our daily lives. From coordinating schedules to sharing memories, the possibilities are endless. It's about making our interactions smoother. It's about removing friction from our digital communication. The true magic of this technology lies in its ability to fade into the background. We don't want to think about the technology. We want to focus on the people we're connecting with. And that's exactly what WhatsApp's Meta AI allows us to do.
The integration of Meta AI into WhatsApp is a significant step. It's a glimpse into a future where technology augments our ability to connect. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must consider the ethical implications. Privacy is paramount. Users need to have control over their data. Transparency is crucial. We need to understand how the AI works and what data it uses. The future of communication is bright, but we must proceed with caution and awareness. As we venture further into this exciting new era, one thing is clear. Technology should serve humanity. It should empower us to build stronger relationships. It should help us bridge divides, not widen them. Let's embrace the potential of AI while staying true to our values. Let's shape the future of connection together.